Hey guys, this is your lifestyle influencer, Keithharley, and welcome to another episode of Trends. Guys, you're going to love this field trip that we're taking today. Get ready to be blown away at Restoration Hardware. Enjoy. Hey guys, this is Keithharley, your lifestyle influencer. I just wanted to show you, we are here at the grand opening of Restoration Hardware. Now, one of the things that I love about this place is almost like a flagship store. So you're going to see a fabulous store, an amazing restaurant. The decor is going to be over the top. You know, I like to talk about make everything and everything you do an experience. I like to talk about affordable luxury. This is what I call affordable luxury, and it's going to blow you away. So get ready. You're going to love it. Take care. Okay, honey.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome, everyone.
Guys, when I tell you the construction, the aesthetics, and the architect of this building is absolutely amazing. The waterfall in the back of the store where the valet is incredible. The decor is not only amazing, but inspiring. It makes you want to decorate your home. I mean, it's like walking into a beautiful, beautiful hotel. And this is the beautiful restaurant. When I tell you they outdid themselves, it's on the third floor. The views are spectacular and breathtaking. I tell you guys, you go visit this amazing store. It is absolutely an amazing experience, not only on the inside, but on the outside. Grab a glass of wine, go shopping, get you something good to eat. Right here, I had the lobster roll and I had the steak sandwich just to test them out. 10s across the board, 10s across the board. Thank you for joining us on another episode of Trends. And thank you for coming with us to visit Restoration Hardware Galleria. It was absolutely amazing. I will be back. Guys, stay tuned for more to come. Like, share, and follow. I'm your lifestyle influencer, Keithharley. Make sure you have a fantastic and an amazing day. Take care. This was a DK Enterprises DK Media production. Have a good day.